friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi, and also welcome to 100 Days of Pockets. This is a collaboration hosted by Cindy A. Lewis, and I am collabing along with her. And this has just been so much fun so far. So day 4 is going to be a top loading pocket, and this is what we're going to make today. All right, my friends, for this top loading pocket, you're going to need a piece of paper that is 3.5 by 6. This is 6 tall. I haven't cut the 3.5 yet. We'll do that shortly. You're going to need some glue or double stick tape, scissors or a trimmer, ink pad if you want to ink up the edges, and of course embellishments. The first thing we're going to go ahead and do is cut this paper to 3.5 inches wide. Now we're going to fold up the bottom 2 inches. And you can use your bone folder or scissors or a spatula to get that crease nice and flat. Now you're going to simply glue the right and the left side of your pocket. You can use double stick tape if you wanted to. All right, my friends, I want to go ahead and embellish this pocket. And I'm going to go ahead and use part of this book page here. I think the colors are perfect. The blue ink goes really nicely with the blue paper I'm using. And then I want to go ahead and use this too because I love the imagery there. So I am going to take this and lay this like this so I can see where the pocket begins and where the edge of this ends. And I want to go ahead and do it right about here. So I'm going to fold this in. There we go. Probably tear right off. And then we'll do the same for the bottom. I'll just fold it right about here. Right now I'm going to glue that on. Now I'm going to go ahead and get some trim, and I think I'd like to put some trim on here. All right, I've decided on some blue and white gingham. And I am going to go ahead and use my Fabri-Tac. And here we go. I'm going to put it across the top of the pocket part there. And then I'm going to do another one right here. And then I'm hoping I can fit one more up at the top. Let's test it before we do it. Yeah, you know what I'll do just to make sure. I don't want it to touch the top of that cake, so I'll just make sure, even if it hangs off the pocket a little, since the pocket's going to get glued down, it doesn't really matter. There, just like that. What do you think? All right, now I'm going to take it and flip it over, and we're going to cut off the edges. I'm going to give that a minute to dry. While that's drying, I'm thinking I might check out my blue buttons or see if I have anything else small. Oh, I do have some small things. You know, I don't think I'll use buttons. I think I'll go smaller. Okay, I have decided to add some of these flat back pearls, and I'm just going to do 3. You know, I was going to do 3 on each one, but maybe I'm not going to do it on this one since the tag has to go past that into this pocket. So I'll just do 3 on the top one and the bottom one. So I think this will add a nice, just small detail, but it won't be too bulky. And I think that'll be great. I think this page is the perfect candidate for a nice little pocket right here. What do you think about that? I think it looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that down. And since this page has been laminated, I am also going to use double stick tape. I'm not sure how good the glue will do. It might do fantastic, but whenever I'm working with a material that I haven't tested basically for this sort of thing, I like to err on the side of caution and use a couple different types of adhesives. Now I hope while I'm adding this I'm not moving those little pearls around, but we'll check once we flip this over. But at least now we've got glue and double stick tape, so we should be good to go. And now we are popping this on right here. Loving the way that that looks. I'm going to use my spatula to press down where I can, you know, without running into these little pearly guys. All right, my friends, here is the pocket. I think it's so pretty. Excuse the glue that's still drying around the little pearly flat backs there, but I think it looks really, really pretty. Here's our trusty tag that we've been using for, you know, showing you the example of these pockets so far. So here's where the pocket is, and a tag will just slide right in. Of course, it won't be one as big as this, but that's where the tag will slide right in there. And I suppose if you wanted to, I glued the whole thing onto the page, but you could, if you wanted to, glue, you know, on the back obviously, here, 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 and you could have this tag here and also one at the top if you wanted. But I love the way that this turned out. This will get some stitching around the edges, which will make everything come together and look really nice. So my friends, this was day 4. It's a top loading pocket, and I hope you enjoyed it. And tomorrow we're going to be doing a library card pocket. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. See you soon.